Hey guys, so today we're doing another episode of My Brother-in-Law Teaches Me Things, but this time on a crab boil, and it happens to be my birthday, so that's exciting.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Good for you, bad for the crabs.
Good for you, bad for the crabs, that's true. I don't want to say that. Can we do that again?
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Good for you, bad for the crabs.
It's true.
That was bad. Let me do it again. Good for you, bad for the crabs.
Yeah,
It's good for you, bad for the crabs.
it's true. So today we have blue crabs that are fresh from a local market, and we saw them out there. They look really good. They're sitting in the shade. Randy knows how to cook these. I don't know anything.
We got a hamper of blue crab. We're gonna boil them up. The process is very similar to crawfish. You just boil them and let them soak a little longer. And they don't soak up as much seasoning, which is good for your dad because you don't like seasoning.
Sorry, Dad.
But they'll be good.
They're gonna be delicious.
They're gonna be great.
I have
They're gonna be
utmost
excellent.
confidence in you.
I'm glad you do. We'll see.
If you're new to this channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. There's one down here, I think. Or is it down here? Anyway, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications. Don't forget to do those things.
Do it all again.
If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. We have a bunch more videos coming out, and we want you to be a part of it. I don't think we forgot anything this time.
I don't know. I haven't looked at the list yet.
Well, I guess we're gonna have to open that up right now. Here are all the ingredients that we're using. Garlic, onions, celery, potatoes, lemons, mushrooms, corn, crab oil, liquid crab oil, cayenne pepper. That's everything. What are we doing? Everything's going in?
All of that.
All of this?
Three-quarters?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's see if I remember. See what I learned from the crawfish boil. First is garlic. This definitely goes in. Okay. All right. Onions.
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 How many?
All of them.
Oh. Strong.
Ah. Okay. Potatoes.
Potatoes.
'Cause those take forever.
You can leave it like that. You can just throw it all in. Just drop it.
What?
All.
No, let me do it.
No, you can leave it
It's
in
a
the bag.
paper. Okay. All right. Not the lemons because we squeeze those. Not the mushrooms, or yes, the mushrooms.
No mushrooms.
No mushrooms, but celery.
Celery.
Celery. And the corn's last.
Corn is last. Correct.
Look at those chopping abilities.
All right, in they go.
And they go. What is hot? Feeling crabby? Ugh. Ugh. Oh, well, this was better in theory. Feeling crabby? That one's a fighter. Oh. He got you?
Woo! You got
Oh,
me.
you bleeding? I told you not to, man. Look at that little guy.
Yeah, that was dumb.
That was dumb.
Just don't think about it.
I freaked out.
Don't
I
think
freaked
about
out. I freaked out. Teamwork. So we didn't put the lemons directly into the boil this time because we learned between this video and the last video that they suck up a lot of the seasoning, so we're just doing the juice. So you get the flavor, but it doesn't waste all the seasoning. Oh, mushrooms! All of it?
No, we'll do like half-ish.
Okay. I don't know. Don't get that. So we just got done putting in some more seasoning, and we actually added the crabs and the lemon juice and the mushrooms into the boil. It's gonna go in for about 12 minutes, and then we're gonna cut the fire, add the corn, and let them soak. So
Well, it says here crabs 5 minutes.
crabs 5 minutes?
Yeah, so 12. Because this is wrong.
Don't listen to the bottle, listen to Randy.
So it says soak time 15 to 20 minutes. There's going to be at least half an hour.
At least half an hour.
It also says one of these will do all the crabs.
Hey, if you're gonna be in it, be in it.
So you definitely need,
It's not good?
that's good.
Yeah, I was kind of adding. I just wanted to be in it.
You need more than one bucket. So you're probably thinking, wow, I really wish I knew everything that they did and all the ingredients, and I don't want to rewind all the way through this video. Don't worry, we have you covered. It will all be in the description below. So while I have you here and we're waiting on the crabs to boil, I want to tell you a little bit about our Nordis backpack. The Sienna backpack is the perfect bag for the hiker, vlogger, traveler, adventurer, and entrepreneur. We use it for our camera equipment because it has multiple sleeves, pockets, a laptop compartment, and a USB charging port. Whether it's for travel or everyday life, this backpack is perfect for any scenario. For more information, click the link at the top right now for the full video, or click the link in the description below for full details and a 10% discount code. Now back to the video. Ooh, hot. Me by myself.
And push down.
What does this do?
It circulates the seasonings. Alright.
I've been working out. Look at you go. It's like you were born to have a knife in your hand.
Hope for the best.
The steam will get them.
Tell us what we did.
We put the corn in. Frozen corn.
We should have had more water.
We needed more water. We put in frozen corn because
Well, we're gonna make it
frozen
work.
corn is already cooked.
I used the frozen corn to cool down the water because a lot of people put ice in it, but that waters down and it takes away from the spice. So I just use frozen corn to try and cool down the water so the crabs can soak longer.
He's a genius.
They look good.
They do. They look red like ketchup. We're about to pull the bucket out of the bigger bucket and put this board under it to prop it up.
Got it.
No.
That's how we got burnt before.
Yep, not real fast.
It's still
That
draining.
water drain. Let that water drain.
I'm sorry. I feel
Hang
like
in
you're
there.
probably holding most
Let
of
that
this.
water drain. You bit higher.
I can't go any higher.
Oh, gotta go higher. Colin, you're gonna have to
Swap.
water drain. Drain.
She said pour them on the tablecloth.
Stick the knife in between the hard shell and the soft shell. Yeah. That's the point. Yeah. There you go.
There you go. Good job.
Eat that?
Yep.
It's discolored.
That's meat.
And it's so sweet. The blue crabs are so sweet.
It's good.
They're good.
I didn't know what to expect.
Happy birthday, dear Gabby. Happy birthday to you.
Crabs were a success. Is that good or bad? Is that weird? The crabs were a success. The crabs were a success. Alright, all in all, we had a lot of crabs left over. They were absolutely delicious. What did you say about them?
I think they were my best crabs ever.
The best crabs ever, and they were my first crabs ever, so I can never eat them
They were the
again.
best crabs I've ever boiled, for sure.
They were delicious. They were sweet. They weren't very spicy, although my hands had been burning
But
for like
tons of
30
flavor.
minutes.
Yeah, it was spice, but it wasn't over the top spicy, but it was a lot of flavor.
So if you're worried about them being spicy, or maybe people that are eating with you don't like spice, don't worry about it. Follow this exact recipe because they're not spicy. They're delicious.
The vegetables were on fire.
That is true.
On fire.
Like painful. Like even
The
the
mushrooms, nuclear.
even the ones he pulled out earlier, I couldn't breathe.
On fire.
So
The crabs were good though.
crab's perfect.
It is a crab boil, it's not a vegetable boil. So next we do corn and crab bisque.
So watch out for that one.
We're gonna take all the leftovers. Corn and crab bisque.
It's gonna be delicious. I don't know if you people have ever had corn and crab bisque, but it's my favorite soup. I don't know if it's a soup.
It's
It's
a
a bisque. The video will be coming out, and at that point, once it does come out, it'll be around here at the end. So thanks for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications, all that good stuff. And thanks for watching. Bye!